Say my name now.
When the book's good.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh yeah. My name is Jamyang Shirab, and I'm from Tibet. I work like half of the day, and half of the day I spend like playing like games with my friends, hanging around, and reading like books, and cook myself in my room. That's all I do. Yeah. And what I need to make my life comfortable is like I need a place to live. Yeah, I need like my love and a little bit of money to cover like daily expenses. I think that's it now.
Yeah, and you can
Yeah, I think I'm really happy. Like for me, happiness means like feel like content all the time, like what you have and what you can have and struggle to have like things